Guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. We have negative 9 plus 9 times 7 over 9. Maybe you solve this expression like this. Negative 9 plus 9 gives us 0, and 0 times 7 over 9. And now 0 times 9 gives us 0 over 9, and 0 over 9 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS that is here, we have to solve this expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. According to this rule, we have one multiplication here that we have to solve it first. So, fraction 9 times 7 gives us 63. And we had 1 negative 9 and plus here over 9. So negative 9 plus 63 gives us 57 over 9. Negative 9 plus 63 gives us 54 over 9. And now 54 over 9 gives us 6. The final answer is 6. Thank you for watching.